Working on a Chevy.
Yeah. Shit! That's true, but this one wasn't tight, very tight at all.
Oh, he lost a U-bolt?
I think it crushed the U-joint.
Can you give me a ratcheting wrench?
I doubt it'll fit. The butt end of the ratchet wrenches are too big.
Against it, yeah.
You really have to use, I mean, you can use a box end on those Chinese ones, but you won't fit it.
I got a friend here that's
Yeah,
helping.
your mechanic assistant right there.
Yeah, she does.
He's coming to help you.
Lunch.
Dude, come on. Getting a little close.
The old pickup truck here. We drove with him for a little while.
Do you lose the cap off it, or what's going on?
He thinks
Oh, it's crushed the joint.
Oh.
The 32 Chevy pickup.
Look, I went through the traps. I could fucking barely see the track.
it's shaking so
Well,
bad.
I'm glad that you're paying attention and know there was something wrong.
Yeah.
Not just like, eh.
Taking out the Silverado in the right lane. That's Mike Gonzalez. Oh, no, that's not. I'm sorry. I pressed in the wrong
It's like way too clean under here, Ron. I don't know.
What?
The 2004 Silverado.
Because I haven't been leaking oil from last week.
Like, you haven't.
Working on a Chevy.
Yeah. Shit!
The stick shift CTSV first gen in the left lane. She's taking on Sarah Thorne in the right lane.
Okay, I'll rotate.
Okay.
Go ahead and put it neutral down. I'll rotate it. Please.
Put on by Chad with bag shift and Cody Hansen. We have 10% of our racers.
Okay, Mark.
550 racers, 10%, over 10%. We're females.
He's in there jamming gears.
Oh, it's a ratchet shifter. You have to go back and forth. Oh, here's your friend. He's over here now.
With the dudes. Sarah Thorpe, the Pro Charge GTO.
Holy shit, Ron. Look at this.
Look for
Yeah, that thing is used up, huh?
It's pissed.
yeah. With the white truck.
Okay, can we turn it?
Any of
What'd you find?
This, U-joint is like blown out big time.
Yeah, the bearing cup on that U-joint was used up. You noticed the vibration at the top end at 120, 130 mile an hour. Oh yeah,
That's enough.
all the needles on that side are pretty well used up too.
So we'll be down
I know, I've never seen anything like it's like it just
Looks like
melted.
he is actually off the racetrack.
It must have been like hot.
He's up there on the top end, but we'll check out that racetrack before we're sending our next pair down.